Hello guys! For today's video, we're gonna play
the category game. Yan ba
Okay.
yung tawag?
Yes.
Okay. Who's first?
Me.
Okay.
Okay. Sabay ba tayo magsasabi?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, name our favorite snack.
Okay.
Okay.
It's gonna be easy. I
Okay.
love everything.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Takoyaki!
Ano ba yan? Parehas tayo.
Okay.
Upuan ko. Okay, number 2. Name a country.
Country. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! USA!
Philippines. Ikaw
Sorry.
naman.
Okay.
Number 3.
Name our favorite cup of Joseon. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Sandali!
Mami, yung headband ba?
Galing nga. Your turn.
Number?
3.
Okay. Number 3. Name a shoe brand.
Shoe brand?
Shoe, yung parang sapatos. Shoe.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, New Balance. ulit.
Wala ko sasabi. Ay, ibang
Ulit.
kategory na. Ibang kategory.
Number 3. The category is name a accessory item.
Accessory. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Ring! Huh?
Ring.
Ring. Okay.
Sorry. Ito naman, number 4.
Okay. Number 4. Next. Favorite.
Name a for
Name a favorite mall. Okay.
wait.
Favorite mall natin. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!
SM
MOA!
Sokat.
Okay.
Number 5. Name a anime character.
Anime. Okay.
Joke
Idiot.
lang.
Okay.
Joke
1.
lang. Iba yung nasa isip mo.
Oh, iba nga. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go-
Shinchan!
Anime ba yun?
Oo,
Hindi
yata.
naman eh.
Hindi ba? Okay. Okay, next category. Name a slipper brand.
Huh?
Slippers.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Crocs!
DIY. Joke lang. Doon, di mo pwede tayo bumili ng kanya.
Yung house slippers. Okay. Next.
Ako naman. Name a dog breed.
Dog breed. Okay.
Yung parang Shih Tzu.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Corgi!
Ba yan? Iniisip ko si Ivy.
Inisip ko corgi. Ako na.
Number 6.
Ano, 6 pa din?
7.
Oh, name.
6.
Galit. Name a favorite or name a Sanrio character. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Kero
Cinnamon
Keropi!
Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Number 8. Name a beanie.
Bini member. Okay.
1,
1, 2, 3, go! Bini
Joanna.
Joanna! Okay. Next.
Ikaw naman, number 9.
Name a ano ba? Name a cellphone brand.
Okay.
Phone brand.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Xiaomi!
Ano ba yan? Kikilit-kita kita. Ako naman.
Ay, go na.
Last number. Name a Name something that you use in school.
School.
Name something that you use on
Use.
school.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Sharpener!
Notebook. Gagamit siya.
O, ginagamit na. Okay na. Yun lang, guys. Thanks again for
See you next
watching.
year.
Bye!
Bye.